October is National Bullying Prevention Month, and the City of Mesquite and the Mesquite ISD community will be celebrating this in a big way. On Wednesday, October the 23rd, please join our students and staff in wearing something orange that day. Go Orange Day Mesquite is a day to represent our unity in promoting a culture of kindness, respect, and inclusivity. Embracing diversity and creating a culture of kindness in our district is yet another way of building emotional wellness throughout our community. Our district's Cultivating Culture initiative yields emotional and academic benefits for our students that can carry into adulthood.